Hey guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video I have some amazing tool deals to share with you. Now this deal video is all about Amazon. We're sticking to the river, we're riding the river from the start all the way to the end. I'll have all the links down below. As of right now, all the deals are good, they're valid, promo codes working, coupons on the page. Now that may not be true 5 minutes from now, 5 hours from now, or 5 days from now, but it is true right now as the words come out of my mouth. First deal, we have the Ulsa Tools Professional Hex Bit Organizer with magnetic base. I picked this up, the orange version, a couple of months ago. Actually, I think we got a little video right here if you wanted to check it out. But I really like it. It's magnetic in two ways. The whole block will stick to something metal, but then it also holds all your little bits in here. And it's actually a pretty strong magnet. You can tip it upside down, shake it around, and it'll still hold all of those. Now, it's on sale right now for $9.17, but it's only the green one that is for sale, and it normally is $15. So, no coupon, no promo code or anything, but a little over $5 off, and I think it's a pretty good item. I have also their socket rails. I've actually bought 2 different sets of those if you've ever seen the Ulsa Tools socket rails, and I really like those as well. So as far as I'm concerned, they're 2 for 2 on things that I've tested out on them, and hopefully we'll see some more sales from them in the future. Next up, we have the LED Garage Light 60 watt 4-panel deformable lights, 9,000 lumen. This is by Suq. 75% off. This is one of the 4-panel lights. Now, it's not the cheapest price we've ever seen these, and there's a lot of promo codes for deformable lights, but it starts out at $47.99, which we all know is way too expensive. We would never pay that. But we have a 75% off promo code that goes through the end of today. And as you guys know, when you click on the link, it'll apply the promo code to your account. It'll also open up a new window. I believe there was 2 different options available, which is why I included the link on this one. So you're taking 75% off, ends up being like $10, $11, $12, wherever that is. The main reason I wanted to include this is when we went to Home Depot in the previous video, not just yesterday, but last week, they had a deformable light. What was it, like $40 or $50? Something ridiculous. And I told you guys, we get promo codes on these all the time. Do not buy that. Do not pay that much money for it. And this one is very similar to the Home Depot one, and it's a quarter of the price. So I think the lowest we've ever seen one similar to this is around $8, or really close to $8. So not the lowest all time, but still, you know, definitely worth picking up if you've never tried one before, because they're actually pretty cool and work really well. Here we have 25-foot 3/16 copper-coated brake line kit, complete replacement brake or fuel tubing, includes 16 fittings. This is by N Stars Motor, and 30% off. So actually these guys have been around for several years, because it was a year or 2 ago that I bought a roll of their brake line 3/16 copper coated brake line kit, and it comes with all the fittings right there. $14.99, 30% off, so it's going to be about $10. Not sure when that expires, but it's good right now. But you couldn't beat that. 25 feet for $10. I remember going to the store redoing, that was probably the brake lines on the Caprice, the 66, and at that time I don't know, you'd go to Farm and Fleet and just buy like 5-foot sections and just link them together, man. That's what I had access to. Irwin Vice Grip C-Clamp locking 6 inchers. Now, those are good size. Don't let anyone tell you different. They're currently on sale for $8.75. Of course, free shipping for the Prime members out there. Tool nut, $13.99. Self-regulating pipe heating cable, 18-footer, 5 watts per foot. Heat tape for pipes, freeze protection by Vavor. We're going to have a couple of Vavor deals actually coming up, but there's some really good ones. I'm so happy for Vavor. I'm glad they came around, because they got some good deals. And, like, they're even sold at Home Depot, so people who want to, like, totally shit on them, I mean, they got approved as a vendor for Home Depot, so it's not like some sketchy-ass thing going on. Anyway, we don't need to get into that. 40% off. There it is right there. I actually bought 2 versions of what they had last year, because they have all sorts of different lengths and everything for these, and we did a video on it. I probably should have included that in the listing, but $27.23, and then we have a 40% promo code, so you're going to be $15-ish on that thing. and that goes through the 30th, but this would be the time of year, especially if you happen to have a laundry room that was built in a garage without a heat source and you live in northern Illinois, and then you think to yourself, who built this and what the hell's wrong with them? Laundry rooms have water, northern Illinois freezes. We're going to build all this and we're not going to put any source of heat here because we're geniuses. Super bright spotlight, high lumen LED flashlight, handheld rechargeable spotlight by Dangija, and it's 50% off. So lots of companies make different versions of these. It's kind of cool how it's got the side bar light and then the front spotlight. Kind of a neat little addition there. It has USB output, so you can use it as a little power bank guy. Lots of reviews, 3,400 reviews with 4.5 out of 5 Tompion chip belts. $25.99, but there's a 50% coupon on the Amazon page. So you open up the Amazon page, little checkbox there. You click the checkbox, you get the discount. If you don't see the checkbox, because I've been having that problem a lot over really the last couple of months now, give the page a little refresh. Maybe you have to do it twice, and then the box pops up. I don't know what the deal is with that. But you're down to $12.99 after the discount, so hard to beat that deal. I'm going to have 4 wrench deals for you. If you do want more than one of them, they're all individual promo codes. I think they're all different promo codes. So you'll have to split it up into different transactions on your account most likely, but they are really good deals, so you may want more than one. This is an 8-piece combination wrench set, metric, 8mm to 19mm, and these are by Duratech and 65% off. So combination wrenches. This is part of Great Star Tools, so the same people are making Work Pro and a bunch of stuff. They own everything now. I've bought a couple of Duratech tools, never wrenches, but I've been pretty happy with what I bought. I did manage to break the ratcheting screwdriver, but it was the closest thing I had to a chisel, and I think you're not supposed to hammer on ratcheting screwdrivers because I broke the ratcheting mechanism on that. So I kind of feel like that was user error. I don't know if I should blame Duratech for that breakage or not, but I did manage to break that. The ratchets they sell, super hefty, like almost needlessly heavy. I'm not sure why so much, and but then I also have their entire socket, like bit socket set, because it was on super clearance one time where we got them like incredibly cheap. Anyways, that whole set's really good. I use that a lot. But no experience directly with wrenches. Although combination wrenches, pretty simple thing. We do have some ratchetings coming up though. $24.99 on that guy. Look at that, 65% off. It ends up being like $8 for a whole set of wrenches. So definitely pick that one up. That one, I probably should have led the video with this one because that's a really good deal. Like even if you don't need them at that price, perfect backup set. Fill in gaps if you lost one, or I don't know, maybe managed to break a different wrench or something, or if, just take the 10 out of it. I don't know, but really good deal there. Now, here's the ones I would need. We got the SAEs, also an 8-piece set, going from 5/16 up to 3/4. Boy, it'd be nice if they had the 1/4, just 1/4. Stop just above it. 65% off there. Comes with the little organizer. Don't know if you use it or not, but it comes with it. $25.99 and 65% off. Next up, we have the ratcheting version. These are a really good deal too. Not quite as cheap, obviously, but combination wrench set, SAE, again 5/16 to 3/4 inch open end wrench set. Open end. Well, there's both. There's a ratcheting end and an open end. 8-piece, 90 tooth. 90 tooth is actually pretty good. Duratech, this one's 50% off. So again, the handy dandy little holder guy. Starts out at $40, 50% off, obviously $19.99. That's quick math. I like when they make it easy math for me. Don't give me these screwy ass numbers. Nothing I hate more when it's like 58% off. Like, how the hell am I going to figure that out? Ratcheting combination wrench set. Now we have the metric version. Again, 8 to 19mm, 8-piece set, 90 tooth, Duratech, 50% off. And these guys were just a little bit cheaper. They started out at $34.99 and 50% off. And I'm going to go ahead and assume most of you prefer the metric over the SAE, so it's nice that you're saving an additional $5 on the ones that you're buying. I won't be as lucky. Now this one is limited stock, so fingers crossed by the time you're watching this it is still available. And we did see it last week, I just don't remember if it was included in a video, but it's such a good deal. If you have any interest in owning a router or could use one, boy, it's hard to, this is a good price. You got the 1 1/4 horse compact wood trim router combo tool with plunge and fixed base, 6 variable speeds, 1/4 and 5/16 collets by Vavor again, and 40% off. So we can swap out our bases there. $62.99, 40% promo code. So what was that, $35, $37? Big fan of this deal as well. The only downside of this whole deal is it's a 12-pack, and there's probably a lot of people who are thinking to themselves, what the hell am I going to do with 12 of these? And other people are thinking, hey, put me down for 2. But 6-inch ultra thin LED recessed ceiling lights with the junction box, selectable K-scale if you want a nice warm light, cool light, white light, whatever you want, you got options. 12 watt, 1000 lumen, dimmable, which is important for some. Actually, my house has dimmer switches everywhere, at least it did when I moved in. I hate dimmer switches. I always want the same brightness, and usually pretty damn bright, okay? I don't need no romantic low light. Now I want to see, okay? I want to see. That's why I turned the light on, okay? If I didn't want to see what was in the room, I turned the light off. And if it's too bright, I'm going to change the bulb. I'm going to put a dimmer bulb in. I don't need a damn dimmer switch. So I swapped out every time. I don't think there's a dimmer switch left in the house, but there might be. Might be one hiding that I don't use very often. 12-pack, 6-inch, $95.98. But 40% promo code. So then we come real close to $60 on that, and $60, 12 of them, that's $5 a piece. Right? It's amazing. Look, keep 6, give 6 to a friend. Late Christmas gift. Super bright spotlight. Hey. Did I get this one in here twice? Oh man, I know what I did. Hold on. Okay, we're going to try and fix this on the fly. I actually thought I fixed this earlier today. So this is the deal I'm trying to show you guys, right? And this is just from the homepage feed. But if I click right here, that's how I open the post. And when I open the post, it redirects to this damn thing. And it did that earlier today, and I cannot figure out why. Okay, hold on. Alright, now this thing's just pissing me off, and I know you guys don't care, but I deleted the stupid strap post and then recreated it, and that didn't work. So now I deleted the spotlight post, and when I click on it, it gives me the 404 because it's still redirecting to the page that I just deleted. What the is going on with this thing? Okay, restored the spotlight post. Made a new Vavor strap post with a different URL, which I was trying to avoid because not being able to use the old one means all the links that I already sent out to people don't work. People on the email list, your link's not working. People who get post notifications, your link's not working. Facebook group, your link's not working. Everyone's going to be redirected to that damn spotlight, which is nothing wrong with the spotlight, but now it's pissing me off. So now I have a new URL. The other problem with that is I always just update pages because I have 14,000 posts on my website right now as far as deals, but I've posted way more than 14,000. It's just I update old pages all the time. And there's no way on the planet I am ever going to remember that the Vavor strap post is messed up. So at some point, 6 months from now, I'm going to update that page. It's not going to work. I'm not going to realize it's not working. I'm going to get a bunch of people saying how it's not working. I'm going to go through the whole process again of not knowing why it's not working. And that's just, I know what's going to happen. So, ratchet tie-down straps. 2,200 pound brake strength, 1 inch, 15 foot, heavy duty ratchet tie-down by Vavor and 50% off. So, that's what they look like. Normal price of $26. After we take 50% off, it'll be $12.99. Also, I could have these totally out of order now because I've messed around with so many tabs and moving things around. You get what you get on this one. We got a hand plate shear, 8-inch manual metal cutter, cutting thickness 1/4 inch max, metal steel frame snip machine. This is another Vavor deal and 50% off. I told you we had a bunch of them here. Normally $93.99, but we get to cut that price in half with a 50% promo code going through the 4th. So that would be about $47. One that I would love to have. I do not know how to use a lathe. I would love to use a lathe. The only thing keeping me from buying it, well, two things. One, I don't have a place to put it. But two, don't have the time to learn how to do it. So then I would just be pissed, because then I would just be looking at it like, man, I don't even... Bought the damn lathe, never even used it, don't have the time. Anyway, another, well, okay, I was going to say another Vavor deal, but this is Mop Horn, which is still Vavor. I actually think it's listed as the Vavor store, but yet the brand is listed as Mop Horn. They also have Happy Buy and Best Equipped, are all Vavor. Anyway, wood lathe, 14 by 40 wood turning, half horsepower, 4 speed. It's 45% off. Normally $163.53. Almost cut that in half. Going to be about, we're going to be very close to $80 because we have a 45% promo code and a $10 coupon on the page. You get little chisels to go with it. Be all set. Boy, I have seen the videos of it going boom, though. They're going along with the chisel that pow! Like, holy shit. I don't know what you did wrong there, but you did something wrong, because it wasn't supposed to do that. Put the safety glasses on, sucker. DeWalt 20-volt max cordless wet dry vacuum DCV 580H. 20-volt. It's $79, and everyone else has it for $129. Home Depot, Lowe's, Acme Tools, everybody $129. So Amazon's quite a bit cheaper. This is actually Amazon as the seller. It's not a third party or anything. And I think the one I have is the 581. Because mine's a hybrid. It can use batteries or the cord, which this doesn't look like it does. But otherwise it looks pretty damn similar. I actually really like the position of the switch. I saw some people kind of complaining about that, a little rocker switch right there. But I think it's perfect, because if you're holding it right here in your hand, you can just flip with your fingers down and flip it on and off while you're still holding it and carrying it around. I would say the biggest complaint about the one I have is the hose. I've broke the hose twice. The first time DeWalt sent me a new one, and I actually still have the new one in the box because I just glued the shit out of this thing right here because it came separated. More than once. Right? I should just use the new hose I have down there. But no, I'm fixing the other one until this one gets to the point where it cannot be repaired anymore, and then I have a new hose. 845-piece automotive bumper retainer clips, car clips, plastic pin rivets, fastener retainer kit, 23 most popular sizes. It's by June Zoe. It's 50% off. Even comes with the little handy dandy pry tools. Got your plastic pry tools. Don't want to use the metal pry tools on the plastic stuff on your car because it'll gouge it, scratch it. You'll be all pissed. And then you do get the metal pry tool as well. It's great for these little guys. You just get them right there and pop his head off. Well, you don't gotta pop it off, but at least pop it up. $21.99, 50% off. You're gonna pay $11. Boy, it comes with a handy dandy case and all those pry tools. That's an amazing little deal because it's impossible to remove these without breaking them, even with the little tool. You gotta remove 10, you'll break at least 2. That's how it works. It's the math. The numbers don't lie. That's what happens. That's why you need replacement clips. Another one of those where AutoZone will sell you a 5-pack of those sons of bitches for $10. Uh-oh. How did I get to here now? Hold on. Alright guys, that wraps it up. I'm going to put the links down below the best I can. Hopefully the damn straps work. Hopefully the spotlight thing works still. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.